We will now see how to select products to promote on our site. Let's head over to Amazon and do a search for twin mattress. You want to look for products that have at least 50 to 100 or more reviews, at least a 4-star rating, and is selling for at least $50. In this case, there are lots of products that fit those criteria. The very first one here, this is a bestseller, has more than 6,000 reviews, and has a 4.5-star rating. It's selling for $139. Let's check the keyword difficulty of this one. Let's run a search in Keyword Revealer for Signature Sleep Contour 8-inch Twin Mattress. It gets 480 searches a month. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty score. The difficulty score is 23. Let's save this to our list. That was very easy. Fact is, not every product that has dozens of 4 and 5-star reviews gets searched for on Google. Products that get searched for on Google are usually very big brands, and not every product that sells well on Amazon is such a big brand. The only products that get searched on Google are usually only the ones that have well over 1,000 reviews, most of which are at least 4-star reviews. Products with less than 500 reviews usually are not yet so popular that they get searched for on Google. So, as a general rule, you want to only select products with at least 1,000 reviews, most of which are 4 stars and higher. So let's select a few such products now. Let's select this one. Let's select this one. Let's select this one. And this. We now have 5 products to promote on our site. The easiest way to find informational keywords to use on your site is to use SEMrush. All you need to do is find phrases that contain words like why, what, of, or how. For these phrases, we do not have to check the keyword difficulty scores. We are not really looking to rank for these keywords. All we need to do is choose around 5 keywords that would be really helpful to your site's users. It would be good to choose high search volume keywords, but that's not really necessary either. You do not have to care much either about search volume or keyword difficulty scores for these informational keywords. The only requirement is they should be helpful to your site's users. Let's find a few such keywords now. Let's use SEMrush's related keywords feature to find keywords that contain what. Here's the list. We can choose any of the keywords and we will choose this one. What are the dimensions of a twin mattress? There are no keywords that contain Y. Let's look for keywords that contain of. We can choose this one. The rest are all about dimensions of a twin mattress. We will skip those because we already have a related question here. Let's search for keywords with how. Just about every one of these is either about cost or about size, and we have already covered those two here. So let's skip these. We wanted 5 phrases. So far, we only have 2. We will now go to Yahoo Answers and see whether we can get some keywords from there. Yahoo Answers is one of the best places to go to for informational keywords. Let's search for twin mattress. There are so many questions people are asking about twin mattresses. You could pick any of these questions, put it on your site, and provide a detailed answer. Let's pick a few of these questions. How to clean a twin mattress? We can choose this one, standard twin versus twin XL. You can choose this one, about buying sheets and comforters for a twin XL mattress. So, we now have 5 informational keywords. We will add these to our list. For this silo, we have a total of 41 keywords, including the product keywords and the keywords we have already saved in Keyword Revealer. We can now start finding keywords for the second silo.